Hello everyone and welcome back to Online Tech Tips. If you're tired of your iPhone constantly suggesting strong passwords when you create an account, you are not alone. While it is a great security feature, it can feel a little pushy when you just want to use your own password. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off password suggestions on your iPhone, so let's get started. Your iPhone suggests strong passwords because of autofill in Apple Keychain. This feature helps you generate and save complex passwords, making your accounts more secure. But if you prefer to use your own passwords, you might want to disable those suggestions. Since password suggestions are tied to autofill, the only way to disable them is to turn off autofill passwords and passkeys. And here's how to do that. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap Passwords. Then tap Password Options. Turn off the switch next to autofill, passwords and passkeys. And that's it. No more strong password pop-ups getting in your way. If you like using autofill but don't want password suggestions while creating new accounts, there is a simple trick. Just disable autofill passwords and passkeys while signing up and turn it back on afterwards. That way you still get the convenience of saved passwords without the annoying suggestions. If you're using a third-party password manager like 1Password, LastPass or Bitwarden, you can disable Apple's password suggestions while keeping your password manager's autofill feature on. Here's how to do that. First, go to Settings. Then tap Passwords, Password Options. Turn off iCloud Keychain, but leave your third-party password manager enabled. Now your iPhone won't suggest passwords, but your chosen password manager will still autofill credentials for you. Turning off password suggestions is doable, but it comes with a trade-off. You lose the ability to autofill saved passwords in Keychain. If you rely on Apple's password management, it might be better to leave autofill enabled and just ignore the suggestions. But if you use a third-party password manager, this fix will make your life much easier. See you next time.